Ellavarkum Namaskaram everyone and a good morning. I am now at Kollam Central Bus Station and rushing to take a bus to my friend's village. His name is Ratheesh Pillai and his village name is Harippad. So Harippad is around 54 kilometers from Kollam and is a part of Alleppey District. It is famous for Thottappally Beach and Mannarasala Sree Nagaraja Temple, which I'll be visiting today. So be with me for this amazing experience and let's enjoy this trip together. So we started on time from Kollam bus stand and the bus stopped in between due to the heavy traffic or maybe the slow moving traffic, and it has been since 1.5 hours we are stuck. Finally bus started moving and the reason for traffic was this giant airplane which I guess was being shipped from Trivandrum airport and they were taking it to some other place, and this was the reason the entire road to Harippad was jam-packed, and I reached Harippad say around 2:30 or 3. Thank you. Oh, sorry. It was late afternoon and I was damn hungry after the travel and was really thirsty. So I went to this restaurant suggested by Ratheesh and I ordered for tomato roast and chapati, and I finished my lunch with tea. The food was really good and I was completely full after that.
Lunch or meals? Biryani, fried rice, noodles, chapati. Okay.
So while finishing my tea, I was suggested by the local staff to visit the Thottappally Beach before it gets dark. I was also suggested to not spend more time there as it was a lone and secluded beach, and I should actually go with someone. I took a local rickshaw which charged me around 350 rupees, but I think I was conned as it was not that far. So after visiting the beach, I had to go to Mannarasala Sree Nagaraja Temple, which is located in Harippad, and again the Alleppey District, which is a serpent shrine. It is nested in the forest glade, an area of about 16 acres, like most of the snake temples. The main deity here is the serpent god Nagaraja, which is the king of serpents. The temple is claimed to be around 6,000 old and is believed to be built by sage Parshurama. Now it is under the patronage of a Brahmin family headed by the priestess. Mannarsala is a unique festival of Kerala that is dedicated to Lord Nagaraja. The rituals of the festivals are carried out by a woman priest, which is unlike other temples of India, where only male priests are allowed to do the service of God. This year, festival will be on 6th of November. Mannarsalaamma, or the supreme priestess of Mannarsala. The beliefs and rituals associated with Mannarsala temple are different from most of the other temples. And this is one rare temple where puja pattern is headed by a Brahmin lady. Legends say that when Nagaraja reincarnated and born to the then mother of Elom and left to Nilavara, he had given certain rites and instruction to his mother. He instructed, Mother herself must offer me worship. On certain special days, men may be given chance to the worship. After mother's time, the senior-most Brahmin lady in the family will have the status of the mother. From that time, the mother assumes the high position. Mother should live as brahmachari and observe penance. Thus, being the mother of Lord himself, Mannarsalaamma became the mother of the land. She is popularly referred as valiyaamma. So before entering the temple, I casually asked one of the temple officers whether I can take photographs and shoot inside the temple. To which he said, "No, you can't." But I still continued shooting inside, and this is what happened. My GoPro gave up completely, and I had no other option but to continue shooting with my mobile phone. And I don't know, this thought came to my mind whether did my GoPro give up because of not listening to the officer, or did God not want me to shoot inside the temple? It's just like a weird thought which came in. So this ends my trip to Harippad, and I sincerely thank my friend Ratheesh to guide me all along the journey, and I hope to visit Harippad with him soon and explore more places. So here I take the bus back to Kollam, and I reached my hotel at 9 at night. I am just back from Harippad. My GoPro gave up, and I'm now recording from my cell phone, and I'm having a bit of cold and cough, for which I've taken medicine. So I'm calling it a day and heading towards a new destination tomorrow morning. Till then, please keep following, commenting on my videos, and do not forget to subscribe. Till then, thank you, bye and good night.